Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiana Lauren and I am officially back with another video. I know that it's been a while since I've posted, but I just needed to take a little break from YouTube so I can accomplish some of my goals. I am going to be going to a few stores today to see if I can find some things for my new apartment and maybe Burlington and TJ Maxx, Walmart, and maybe a couple other stores to see if I can find those items. So hopefully that works out. So we'll see about that. Let's go ahead and get into these stores. Hello guys. So I am in Burlington. I am trying to find a trash can for my apartment, and maybe some decorations if I see something that I like. Right now I don't think I'm finding what I'm looking for, so we might have to head over to a different store. Okay, so I want to see if I can find me some pink stuff. So far I haven't found any pink items, but I think these brooms are pretty cute and they're like $6 a piece. I love the purple. It's funny how when I'm looking for something pink, I can never find nothing pink. If I'm looking for something purple, I can never find something purple. So unfortunately I don't want a purple mop, but I think I'm gonna keep looking. These little placemats will look nice on the dining table. Those are $7.99. But I really need to try to see if I can find a lot more pink, because I want pink to be my main, I guess you could say my main color in my house. But I don't know if I'm gonna find the pink stuff that I'm looking for. Okay guys, so I'm over here by the mirrors. Of course this is something that I'm really not even looking for, but I seen the glitter and I had to pull this back so I could see it. Let's see. Okay, so I found this mirror, which is $24.99, which is pretty cute. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it's pretty cute. It's not pink. Ooh. They have a pink one, but I don't like this color pink. This is more of a orangey, salmon color pink. They have this black one. This is cute, but it's not the right color. Let's see what this one looks like at the back. This one's cute too, but I don't know what that is. What is that? Okay, so it's a no on the mirrors. I wish it was a circle, but of course it's gold, which is not my colors. Desk chairs over here, but I don't know. I don't think these are the right color pink. This is more of a, I don't know, a orangey kind of pink. It's cute, but not necessarily the color that I'm looking for. Looks like they have some of the Christmas items out. I love these Christmas trees. Those are so cute. Let's see, how much is it? I'm sure it's behind this little tag. I'm gonna set it on the side. Let's see. That is 12. Yeah, $12.99. Those are cute. Wrong color though. Gingerbread house is pretty cute though. Let's see, how much is this? I'm assuming it's probably close to 30. Let's see. Oop, it's $19.99. It's actually a little bit cheaper than I thought it was gonna be. That's pretty cute though. This would be cute to put on my mantle. Ooh, those are cute too. Look at those. Those are super cute. And look at those white ones too. Those are cute. I just wish they were pink. Okay, y'all, so I did not find anything that I was looking for here in Burlington, so I am going to go to a different store. I probably might end up going to like Walmart or something, but we'll see. I do need to make another stop to like what is it, Michael's, to get like some paint, and then I'm gonna go over to, I don't know, maybe like, I don't know, TJ Maxx or something like that. Okay, y'all, so I'm in Ross and I'm in the trash can area. Looks like they have like a few trash cans. Let's see if any of these actually match my budget. Looking for a stainless steel trash can. This one looks like it's like 42. Okay, yeah, that's a little bit above my price range. I was hoping I was going to be able to find something like a little bit cheaper. This pink one right here, which is kind of cute, that one's $19.99, which is in my price range, but it's not the right color pink. I think it's more like a orangey pink, which I do not want. So I might have to settle for a basic black trash can instead. Okay, so I low-key do need like a, what is this called, like a shower caddy. They do have like a silver one, which is nice, but it don't have a price tag on it, so I don't think I'm gonna get that one because I don't want to be trying to go through all the trouble of having them try to find like the price that's supposed to go with it. Well, they got stuff that's pink that I don't need, like these hangers and stuff. Those are cute, but it's not what I'm looking for. I could use like another shower rod though. But the only thing about these silver shower rods, they like to rust easily. You literally have to replace them like every couple of months, which isn't, I guess it's not too bad, but I'm gonna end up having to continue to keep buying them. I think this one is like $13. That one's cute. It's not, I don't know if this is like chrome. I think this is more like of a chrome color, something like that. See, they have like this one is more like of a silver color, this one right here. That one's like $12.99. I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna have to see if I can find some stuff online. Maybe if they had like something like white, that would probably be a little bit better. Okay, y'all, so Ross is gonna be like an epic fail for me today. I think I'm gonna just head over to Walmart and what is it, Michael's, to see if I can find the rest of the stuff that I'm looking for. I might just have to end up going with like a basic trash can, so I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some like drawer liners and stuff like that, and then I'm going to go to Michael's so I can get that paint that I'm looking for. So hopefully that works out. So I will see y'all over there. Okay, y'all, so I'm in Walmart. I'm kind of like over by the fall and home stuff, and they have some pretty cute stuff. I do like the, what is it, the Better Homes and Garden. They got this big old candle. I hope it smells good. Let me see. Okay, it smells decent. It's just not, this is not super strong. None of these candles is ever strong to me. Stuff you smell is super weak. Isn't that cute? Those are super cute. And then they have like this, I don't know what this material is, but that's cute too. They got this cream color one. I don't know what the scent is on this one. Let me see if I can open it up. Okay, let's see. This one smells pretty good too. It's this pumpkin one. It doesn't say like what the fragrance is on this one, but this one smells pretty good. This burgundy one right here, that one smells kind of like cinnamon, I guess. And those are pretty cute too. The orange one are cute too. I do like the fall stuff that they have. It's just like kind of like not my style. But this little candle right here is cute. Like the salted coconut and mahogany candle. That one's like $11.58. With tax is probably like $12. This one smells pretty good too. It's I don't know how to describe the scent though. It smells good. It kind of gives off like a manly smell, but it smells good. Okay, so I found like the drawer liners. I will say the last time I bought liners, I bought like these kinds of liners, and then I bought these two. Now unfortunately I don't recommend those because like this little, what is it called, like the back part on here came off and it got stuck to the inside of the cabinets and I wasn't able to clean it off. So hopefully my apartment complex does not charge me for that, for them having to repaint the inside of it, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna go with probably like the clear liners, clear plastic, just because it's like waterproof and it's not going to seep into like the paint on the cabinets, and it should be like easier to remove. So I'm gonna get like a roll of this. I'm gonna get that and that, which is gonna be like, I don't know, like $20 something. Okay y'all, so I couldn't resist coming to the candle aisle again. I do see like some pink stuff, so just to give you guys kind of like a concept, like this color pink is what I'm going for like my house. But I think I'm gonna smell this and see if this smells good. Ooh, okay, no, it's broken. Let me go ahead and get something else. Okay, so this one is like the raspberry peach rose. I don't know what that says, something like that. Okay, let's see if it smells good. It smells good. It doesn't smell like, it smells like what it's supposed to smell like. Basically, it's not too strong. It kind of smells like, I don't know, it smells like candy or something like that. It doesn't smell too bad. It's like $5.97 or something like that, so not too bad on the price. They also have this frosted berry cupcakes. That one's $5.97. This one has like the potential to smell good, but it don't really smell good. This one is like the same packaging. Cute. No, don't really like that one. Okay, so they also have like some more candles and stuff like that. I think this is like a newer candle line. I think I want to smell some of these too. But they look like they smell pretty good. I like the packaging and stuff like that too. This one smells decent. I wouldn't say that I care for it too much. I think I'm gonna keep looking to see if they have anything else. So hopefully like this juicy watermelon one smells pretty good. I think I'm gonna pass on this one. And this one right here is like the island petals. This one definitely smells a lot stronger. I think this one smells pretty good. I think that one is like $12.58. Not a bad price. I think it smells pretty good for what it's worth though. And then I think the last one I'm going to smell is like this mango coconut one, macaroon. Hopefully this one smells pretty good. Let's see. No. Not at all. Okay, I think I'm gonna pass. I think there's some other ones that probably smell good, but I think I'm gonna pass on the candles today. Okay, last stop, y'all. I am in Michael's and I am looking for some paint. So hopefully I can find what I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm in the paint aisle. I am looking at the matte and satin acrylic paint. I think this top portion is like the matte paint, so we're gonna go down. Okay, seems like they have little to no pink paint in the satin. So thankfully they have a color that I'm looking for. So they have this like I don't know, it's pink blast rose explosion. This is more like a bubblegum pink, which is close to what I'm looking for. And then that's like $119. And then they also have like this pink chiffon, which is like a light pink, a little bit lighter than the other one. I'm not sure which one is going to work out, so I'm just going to grab both of these. Worst case scenario, it's only about $2, so I guess it'll be okay. Okay, next stop is paintbrushes. Hopefully I can find something that's not going to cost too much. Okay, let's see. I'm looking for like literally one paintbrush and I can't find anything. Oh, okay, here it is. I guess this one will do. Oh, shoot. Hopefully it's not too big. Okay guys, so I am back at the house. I have some of the supplies that I was looking for. So the first thing I think I'm going to go ahead and get started on is like lining like the inside of my drawers and my cabinet in my kitchen. Well, we are coming to an end to today's video. I just want to thank everybody for watching me get settled into my new apartment. So just make sure that you stay tuned. I am going to be uploading some Christmas themed videos. I'm going to be doing a shop with me and haul, and also a Christmas decorating video of me decorating my apartment with all the new Christmas items that I have found. So stay tuned to those videos, and thank you guys so much for watching.